welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to electric vehicles. And today we'll be focusing on the hidden expenses of owning a Tesla. While electric vehicles have many benefits, it's important to understand that there are some hidden costs that come with ownership, particularly for Tesla owners. Number 1. Upfront costs. Let's start with the upfront costs. Tesla vehicles can be some of the most expensive on the market. And in addition to the sticker price, you may also need to purchase a home charging station, which can add several $1,000s to the cost. Number 2. Full self-driving cost. Another cost to consider is the full self-driving package. Tesla recently raised the price of this package from $10,000 to $15,000. While it provides advanced driver assistance features, it does not yet offer full autonomy and requires the driver to remain in control of the vehicle at all times. Whether the higher price is worth it depends on personal priorities and confidence in Tesla's ongoing development of the technology. Number 3. Maintenance. Moving on to maintenance. Electric vehicles require less upkeep than gasoline vehicles, but they still require regular maintenance. This can include replacing brakes, tires, and other wear items, as well as software updates. Tesla owners should also expect to pay for battery replacement if needed, which can be a significant expense. The cost of replacing a Tesla battery can range from $5,000 to $12,000 depending on the model and year of the vehicle. Tesla also offers a battery replacement program for Model S and Model X vehicles, which allows for a discounted replacement after 8 years or 120,000 miles of use. Keep in mind that Tesla's battery technology is constantly improving, so the cost of replacement may decrease over time. Number 4. Charging costs. Charging an electric vehicle requires electricity, and this can be an ongoing cost. If you charge your Tesla overnight using a level 2 charger, your electric bill may go up. However, Tesla also offers a supercharger network for faster charging, but using these services can also add up over time. Number 5. Insurance. Another cost to consider is insurance. Insurance costs for EVs can sometimes be higher than for gasoline vehicles, as they are often considered higher risk. It's important to shop around and compare insurance quotes to find the best deal. Number 6. Resale value. Finally, let's talk about resale value. Tesla vehicles have a reputation for being well-made and reliable, but their resale value may not be as high as some other luxury vehicles. This means that when it comes time to sell your Tesla, you may receive less money than you would for a comparable gasoline-powered car. In conclusion, electric vehicles have many benefits, but it's important to understand the hidden expenses that come with ownership. Tesla owners in particular should be aware of the costs of charging, maintenance, insurance, and potential impact on their electric bill and resale value. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether an EV is the right choice for you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content related to electric vehicles.